Here's Ryan as the inbounder. Bigay bola para kay June. Bigyan ang bola. Here's Gavica, down low pass, with an off-the-glass finish. Here's Nick Chart, down low pass, off-the-glass, no good. And Van saves it, taking it, wins that. Oh my, good move, Nick's out, and off the glass. Not this time. Both teams having a great defense, starting this first quarter. Fires a long three. Okay, Camilla picks it up. Ball deflected by Caballo. Off the Gavica. Here's Jude. Carlosa lays it up. No good. Here's Nick John. Brings it in. Hand it over. Bola began for three. Ain't too short. Here's Jude. Positing his way through. Down the pass. Reverse lane. Not this time. Here's his identity. On the position. And there it is. And turnover. Campbell staying for advantage of three. One over on their left side. Fires at three. Spreads around. Here's Camilla. On this ball game and win from the down low deflection. Ball stolen. Extra pass on the left side. Attacking the gap. Almost a great attack right there. Here's the out and down by John Max. Here's Calosa. Extra pass. Cambia. With an off the glass. No good. Extra passes now. Loses it. Number 3 of Ender Barangay Sports Tournament 2025, 9 here at the Senior Las Marinas Arena. Here's Contlante, kicks out Calosa for 3. Ryan Alonso through over Ryan. Fakes. Extra pass. Contlante with a J. Jumper is in. Here's the party 1-3 now. Hand it over on the left side. On the short fake on a three-pointer, cross-court passes. Here's Cinco, down low pass, jumper, misfires, out and down. Here's Ruben, goes all the way.
Sign out Barangay, batting with 3.
Now batting with 3. Camilla with a steal, taking a good step together with Ryan. Here's Calosa, extra pass, out the glass. Great pass right there and a great execution. Galing kay Camilla. Here's Caballo, spins away on that defender. Racing it in. Here's Edwin, great fake, great jumper right there. Big jumper right there. Added 2-pointer. But here's Caballo on the top of the key. As his set legs up, spins away. Jumper is good. Release coming in. Here's Edwin on the top of the key. Set things up. Hand it over para kay Gavica. But Pante hits a foul in the air and a foul has been called on. So far on this game, starting this game, Spence hand it over on the top of the key on the right side, but the jump for Nick John. Down low, reverse, not this time. Kamia seals that point.
Maradon Kamia.
Raisa Lawa, Magadja, hand it over on the right side. Fires a three, just hit it like iron. Happening forward on the other. Here's where the play, the deflection. Outlet now. Lays it up in there.
Michael Contante.
To 14. The biggest leads overall in this ball game. 2 minutes remaining in our first quarter. Not this time, but there will be a whistle.
Michael Contante.
Here's Ormigos. Off the Magadya with an easy jumper to hit the front iron. Out and now, para kay Minsalan. Here's Alexis. Off the Kamia. Morgan goes all the way. Bucket and one.
Maradon Kamia.
And that makes it once they off the Minsalan. Cross over. Down low. A miss. Down low. From the baseline, just got rejected, and it is on this, forces a shot, and there will be a whistle. Para kay Alvin Juanse, Compass for three, in and out, Patrick for the rebound, 40 seconds to go in our first quarter. Here's the Fatima 3 on their decision, loses it, finally, here's Minsalan, off the Marlon, Kamia with a fade away, jumper is good. After the steam, it goes all the way, fading away, and the jumper is dead. But here's the Fatima 3 with an answer after the finish. Here's Ross for three. Best fires. 16, the biggest lead overall on this game. This is out with a quick trade. Hand it over. Crossword pass, shot fake, down low, deflected. The pass from the paint. The collection, ball stolen once again. Steal after steal. Kami pinakakita ng mga Kaysanawon on our first quarter. Here's Alfie. Hand it over on the right side. For three. Yes, sir.
Edgar Compass 3.
Is now dominating score after score. Here's number one. Not this time. The collection. Minsalan on the run. Extra pass. Alfie on the top of the key. Set things up. They are now taking their time, having this big point lead. Here's Ross, kicks out once again, takes one, bounces off. Here's the Fatima on their position. Santuile forces the shot, misfires. Out there now, here's Minsalan. 3v1 behind the back. Out the glass is good. From Minsalan. Kapahog loses it. Here's Minsalan once again. Extra pass off the glass. Bucket and one.
Watson.
And he makes once a hitting. A counter and one finish earlier. Under 7 minutes on the time. Here's Barangay Salawa. Once again. On the left hand, no good. Here's Barangay Salawa, keeping it alive. Fadeaway change, jumper is good. Compass with an easy go bucket right on the fadeaway shot. Fadeaway 3-pointer, no good. Here's Edgar once again. Spins off the Minsalan, hand it over. Oh my! Counter and one finish.
First personal foul. 13 on the Fatima 3.
And it is on this, but it loses it once again. Ball stolen. Here's Compass with the leather. Outlet now para kay Atlaide of the Minsalan. Here's Minsalan with a stop and bomb. Hit it from Iron. They are now setting things up. Once they off the Compass, here's Edgar. On top of the key. Shot clock at 5, 4, 3. Mesquire is Here's Nick John. NJ on the run. Off the glass. Not again. Handling for another. Here's Capao with a fadeaway. Keeping it alive. Arnold picks it up. Handing over to Alexis. But there will be a 1-point lead. Galing sa Barangay Isasama. Will they get over on this big point lead? Fires a three. Misfires. But the jump picks it up. Nice to see it. Gambia on the way out. Outletting out. Miscommunication. Ball still staying for Barangay Fatima 3. Capao goes all the way. Possession would go outletting out. Here's Ryan Dalosa. Lays it up in it.
Ryan Dalosa. 8 seconds on the shot clock.
Here's Camia on the top. The key set things up. Forces a shot, not this time. Outlet down. Almost loses that chance. But here's a Fatima 3 on the transition. A miscommunication leads into a 13 seconds remaining. Here's Ryan Dalosa with the letter as it brings it in. Dalosa on the paint. Pamarang for three. In and out, but here's Camia on the inlet rim. On to Mendoza.
Marlon Mendoza.
Ari, a point. An added point para sa Barangay Isasama. Here's a number 3. Capao goes all the way. Is handed over para kay Marlon. Crossword pass for Ryan. 15 on the shot clock. Dalosa. Inside pass. Camia. Gets a foul. Capao. NJ handing over. Bakani. Extra pass to NJ. Lays it off. No good. Here's Camia. No stolen. Abelona with an easy. It's no good. Outlet down, but the ball was. Here's Bakani. Down low. Jumper on the right side, not this time. Getting the miss. Creating space. Picking the ball up, but here's Capao. Tries to seize a point. Getting his own miss. Over the glass finish. 30 seconds remaining with our first half. 27-point lead. Fires a three, not this time. Here's Ryan. Tries to seize it, but here's the back of the team. Here's the Barangay Fatima 3, handed over para kay NJ. Capao with a fake pass. Spins away. Just got the line. Out and now. Here's Ryan. Dalosa goes right through Ryan.
Dalosa.
Coach Thornbox once again. Alexis. Extra pass. Ryan goes all the way.
Ryan Mendoza.
Okay, 4 point on this quarter. Another steal. Galing kay June. Here's Kabika. Hand it over for Alexis. Here's Edwin. Shot clock up to 10. Down low, Kamiya. Shot clock down to 5. Marlon with a down low pass. Fence forces. Jumper misfires. Kamiya seals that point.
Marlon Kamiya.
Here's Ryan with a steal. Between 2 defenders. Gets a foul. For Ryan, off to Kamiya. Here's Michael, almost loses it. And third.
Second personal foul rather for Benaventura Makani.
Here's Ryan, off to Kabika, no good. Here's a penalty on the transition. And there is an out of bounds as they step on the line. Here's Alexis. Down low pass para kay Kamiya. One-hander is good. Underneath that red. Ball deflected, or ball will stay. Here's Caballo as he bounces his way through.
Mike.
Here's Elvis. Extra pass off the glass. On this ball game, here's Jewett. Three defenders, coast to coast.
June Kabika.
Late from the logo. Attacks. But here's Elvis with a quick answer. Alexis off to Kabika. Hand it over for Ryan. And 1-4-3. Misfires. That he fires. That here's Kabika off the Kamiya.
Marlon Kamiya.
Ray. Ball stolen. Here's Edwin. Taking a quick step. Off to Ryan. Constante. Just as a barangay natin a 3. Here's Makani off to Caballo with an outlet for Elvis and an outlet second time, making point after point. Starting this third quarter, 6 minutes has been gone on this second half. Here's June together with Kamiya. Extra pass for Constante, no good. Here's Caballo taking a quick step. Outlet now for Elvis. Once again, the same spot. Elvis remaining. Here's Ryan Mendoza as he brings it in with a cross. Extra pass. Kamiya. Denied. When the play on the top of the key. Off to Maganja. Here's MJ. Attacking 2 defenders with an off the glass. Not this time. Off to Alexis. Here's Edwin. Extra pass. Oh my, Aide goes all the way.
Manuel Aguirre. And the open shot is coming Fatima 3.
Here's Makani on the top of the key. Fars is breaking too short. 2 match between Barangay Sanawag and Fatima 3. Here's Ryan. Aatake. Mendoza with a quick tray. Battling for the rebound. Here's Elvis as he brings in the letter. Set things up off the MJ. Nick John. Deflection from behind. Getting his own. Side step. Off the glass is good.
Nick John.
Here's Ryan.
2 minutes.
Out of passes. Fadeaway J. Jumper. Fadeaway J. Jumper is good.
And guards.
Galing kay Ryan Mendoza off to Edgar Campos. But here's Caballo on the top of the key as he sets things up. Deflection. Look at that. 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Spins away. Here's Alfie. Highly guarded. Crossword pass. Step back 2. Jumper 1 go. Here's MJ with an outlet now. Right to six. Here's Vince Sanan. Hand it over para kay Alfie. Here's Guanse. On the top of the key, set things up. Extra balance from the down low. Off to Edgar. Here's Compass. 5 on the shuttle up. Forces a jumper. Things out. 5 and 3. Not this time. Here's Swansea with the leather. 1v3 with an outlet now from inside. Ball stolen under 30 seconds. Here's Navajo. Spins away. Up the glass. Spins away. Up the glass. Next way. Lays it up and in. Here's Alfie. Shot with his arm. Off the inside. The layoff is in. Alfie Swansea. Here's Alvis. 5 seconds to go on the game clock. Almost a quarter of our game number 3 of this Edgar Guys Sports Tournament 2025. Palecaro category. It is the team of Kaisalawa and round number 3. Here's Vinceland. Heidi Gordon off to Navajo. Here's Savano. Atlantic Agas. It's an open spot. Ball stolen. Outlet now. Here's the bat number 3. Not this time. Outlet for Vinceland. Here's Vinceland. Atake. Fake pass. Oh my. Not with a great ball. Not a great execution. Outlet now. Here's Mendenhall. Warriors David leads our score. Here's Edgar on the top of the key. Edgar Compass. Karini third line. Bakani, 90 minutes by Vinceland. The third will be Uwasu. That is an air ball, but third is a teammate over. Hand it over. Off the Navarro. Here's the one guys in our with a 10-second on the shot clock. Edgar with an off the glass, no good. Here's the bat number 3, Ben Affe. Ball stolen. Outlet. Here's Vinceland. Pick up next back. Next out. Here's Alfie. Hand it over by Vinceland. Jumper. No good. Outlet. Here's Ben Affe together with Bendy Doyle. Atake. Just got rejected. Pick up bola. Here's Vinceland. Taking a quick step. Session on the soccer. Fires a 3 nugget. But here's the battle off the Edgar. Here's the pass with another J. Misfires. Here's the bat number 3 with an outlet. Malaki Cabaho. Here's Cabaho. By the Gordon by 2 with an off the glass. No good. Hand it over. Here's Alfie on the top of the key as he sets things up. They are now taking the time to make a point, having this huge point lead 4-3, and yes!
Edgar Compass 3!
Ang pinapakita ng Barangay Salawa. Here's Mendenhall with an answer off the glass, no good. Alfie on the transition. Kicks out. And it's down at 15. Here's Camarada 4-3. No good. They're now taking a quick step. Here's Bakani. He has an extra pass from behind. Bucket and 1. Outlet now, and that is a brings in the leather. Forces. Here's Camarada taking a quick step. On the left hand. No good. Fires a 3. Yes, yes. Here's Rojas. As he nozzles his weight. Here's Cabaho. Hand it over. Kicks out on the right side. Fires a 3. He fires up a triple. Here's Alfie. Kicks out. 15 seconds to go. Ball loses it. Here's NJ with a wide open shot and an off the net shot. between Salawag up against Fatima 3. Here's Avanos, fade away off the Pamaran. Here's Alfie, 5 seconds to go. Ball stolen. Here's the Fatima 3, goes live stream to Lenny
Erickson Sandigan.
Alfie on the top of the key as it brings it in. Quanse kicks out, Pamaran for 3. Misfires. Outlet now. Here's Buenafe. Long distance three-pointer. Not this time. Getting his own miss. Buenafe. 4-3. Misfires. Extra pass now. But here's Caballo. Atake from the paint. Lays it up. Court try. No good. Here's Pamaran. Loses it. Here's Caballo. Between two defenders, spins away. Extra pass. Makani another with an open under, no good. Out there now, Ryan says like on the floor. Talosa lays it up in. Talosa. Para sa barangay sa Dalawa. Caballo. And there will be a whistle on offensive foul for player number 1. Here's Ryan Talosa. Taking their time, having this huge point lead. Talosa off to Ebuen. Off to Ryan, 4-3. Misfires, here's Fabika. Tries to seal it. Here's Caballo as he brings it in. NJ to Edmark, hand it over on their left side. Edmark for 3. Here's Edwin, down low para kay Michael. Constante loses it, but there will be a whistle. Even a fair with a down last 10 minutes. All 3 once again. Edmark with a 3 after 3. But here's Ryan on the top of the key, tightly guarded. Creating space. Off the Edwin. Here's Ryan. Muhatitira ng rest. 5 seconds to go. Crosses. Spins. Crossbar to Edwin. Jumper misfires. Here's Jude. Lays it up looking. Here's Benafe off to Caballo. Caballo. With a bigay bola para kay Dorpax. Here's Ryan. Off to Bugamia. 1 minute to go. 10 seconds on the shot clock. All the collective shot clock. 55 seconds on the game clock.